Hi everyone, I'm here to teach you how to shade a flower using color pencils. You don't need any special drawing skills to draw the flower. You can just trace the outline. All you have to do is some clever coloring. Here is a step-by-step process of how to create this pretty flower with color pencils. The first thing you need to do is decide on which flower you want to draw. You can choose daisies or sunflowers. These flowers make good subjects and are not too complicated. You can have a look on photo sharing sites like Pinterest. Once you have decided on the image, now start drawing it onto the paper. Now that I'm ready with the sketch, let's start coloring. Supplies for these kind of art are pretty minimal. I am using Prismacolors to shade this flower. They are rich in pigment and blend really well. I'm going to make a swatch of colors I'm going to use to shade the flower. I will be using a very simple technique to shade these petals. Start with a darker shade and reduce the pressure as you go down and shade it lighter. You can move your hand in circular motions to shade the petal. Make sure that you show slow gradual change. Do not use the sharp point of the pencil which creates dark lines. Start with more pressure. Move your hand in circular motion. And as you go down, reduce the pressure and shade it lighter. Repeat this process for all the petals. petals with one more layer of darker shade. I'm going to build multiple layers with multiple shades, hatching them over each other in circular motion. To blend even smoother, just go over with more pressure and blend in circular motions. This technique is usually called burnishing. For this technique, you can use the tip of the pencil to shade the petals. With more pressure and with the tip of the pencil, start shading from the top, and then as you go down, reduce the pressure and blend it with the base layer. the stem with green. Once we are done coloring the petals and the stem, now it's time to work on the center. And now I would like to add some darker strokes on the petals. And yes, we are finally done with this class. I hope you liked it and I hope you have learned a lot from this class. Thanks for watching.